So I'm on sick leave, messing with this new Web3 editor, Casimir. And here's what I think. Things are made of ideas, and every new thing is the same old song, remixed. Because without an application, ideas are dust, like this sound. Without a setting, it's noise. Or this NFT of a JPEG, it's just sitting there. And so I thought, NFTs shouldn't just sit there static. They can help sound artists to collaborate, help them with copyright management. When their work is used in films, videos, or games, no lawyers, no labels, just a community of creators. That's what I want. First, we need an authorization module, for people to register and log in. Second, we need a module to mint NFTs of the sound files. Third, we need a marketplace to list them. Now, the portal is working. Artists are licensing their works and get royalties whenever their sounds are used. And I get a commission for running the portal. Alright, that's it for today.
So, good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone who is here, of course, depending on where you're watching our live from. So, thank you to each and everyone who is being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who have been with us for a long time, and as well for those who are new here, and we are very honored and welcome you. So today, Casimir Launch event, and we are very proud to be able and host it today here in the wonderful online event with all of you. So before we get started, I would like to check some tech issues. If you can hear me well, see me well, just send yes or okay plus in the comments below, and we can starting the event. As I can see, we have a lot of attendees. So please send plus or anything. Yes, I can see. So in today gathering event, I would like to introduce you a little bit about the agenda. So in today gathering, we will focus on agenda first of all. Today with us will be Alexei Kulik, product lead of Kazimir, and he will share a general what is Kazimir product vision and share the solutions and problems that Kazimir solves. So the next will be Alex Shkor, CEO of DEIP. He will talk about the synergy about the Kazimir and DEIP, and also share the future plans, all of them. And Yehor Tsarik, he will present a demonstration of the Kazimir in live, and we will spin up a portal to show you how it works. So also at the end, we will... I'm just reading your comments. And if you have like some freezing, you need to update YouTube channel and come back to us. So also at the end, we will have a Q&A session where Alex Shkor, Yehor Tsarik will answer all of your questions that you have. So I don't want to take too much time of you. I'm just inviting Alexei Kulik to introduce Kazimir to all of you. And today will be fun and full of learning. So welcome, Alexei Kulik.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexei Kulik. I'm product lead for Kazimir. I'm very excited to be today here with you on this long-awaited event. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Kazimir and about problems it solves. So, what is Kazimir? Kazimir is an online solution that allows you to build NFT trading platforms without code. No matter what you want to build, it can be NFT marketplace for your community, or it can be NFT storefront for your brand. Casimir can do it all. But what is most exciting about Casimir? It doesn't require any technical knowledge. It saves money and it's highly customizable to fit the needs of your brand. But why do we need Casimir at all? There are various solutions to sell NFTs online. But as a creator, you need more. You need to make sure you can efficiently generate demand. And you need to make sure you can build your own brand. While building NFT platform is the most obvious solution, NFT technology is complex. There are a lot of various tools to build websites, landing pages, and online stores, but very few of them support NFT. On the other hand, custom development requires very specialized workforce, and it can cost thousands of dollars. Here where Casimir comes in place. With our product, you can use drag and drop interface to build solutions. You can use customizable templates. Casimir works with any type of digital assets, and it supports multiple chains. We believe that with Casimir, we will enable more creators and digital businesses to more effectively market and sell their digital products. And now I want to present Alex Shkor, who is CEO of DEIP. He will tell you more about the synergy between Casimir and DEIP protocol and will tell you what future holds for both of them.
Hello dear DEIP community! Now we have amazing news to share with you. We finally got Casimir integrated into DEIP network. Why it's so important? Actually, why Casimir in general important for the whole Web3 industry? Imagine, the whole industry struggles from very low usage of Web3 technologies and adoption of Web3 technologies in general. And what can solve this problem? Obviously something which can generate more usage, which can bring new users, which can bring new builders to Web3 industry. And Casimir is exactly the tool which can do this for the DEIP network, and not only, because it will be integrated into other layer 1s as well. So Casimir is modular framework which allows anyone to build NFT marketplaces easily. Moreover, we already created a template which you can use, which is already preset. You don't even need to combine modules. It's done for you. And once we have all these applications deployed with Casimir, we can observe how the synergy with DEIP will work. So why it's important for DEIP to have Casimir? Besides, it will give usage, it will also give access for DEIP to other layer 1s. Because once we have Casimir integrated into other layer 1s, and once we have people who already build solutions on top of these layer 1s and using Casimir, we can introduce module of DEIP which will give them a unique features provided by DEIP protocol. So now, talking about unique features of DEIP protocol. As I said, we have focus on one thing for every product. Casimir is focused on bringing users to DEIP network and Web3 in general. And Casimir is focused also on making things easier and cheaper, so people even without any knowledge of coding, without any understanding of Web3 will be able to build their own NFT marketplaces. And what does DEIP protocol gives to them? DEIP protocol provides a unique and very needed feature for Web3 industry in general. We will allow people to attach ownership of their IP assets in a legally binded way to NFT. So this link will allow people to really transfer ownership from real industries, from music industry, from movies industries, and transfer this ownership to NFT so they can sell this ownership and monetize their asset, whether it's music, poetry, whatever, in Web3. And because we have all these products focusing on their specific niche, Now we need also a governance body which will oversee all these products. And that's why we're creating a council. The council which will oversee the products and also govern distribution of resources between all of them. Because DEIP and Casimir are not the only projects we've built so far. We've been building for a long time and we have the whole ecosystem of projects which are necessary to make a breakthrough in adoption in Web3. So please welcome Yegor Tsarik. He will tell you more about how exactly Casimir works and will show you a demonstration in a nutshell. So please join us and start building your NFT marketplaces with Casimir.
Hi everyone, my name is Igor, I'm CTO at DEIP, and today I would like you to tell more about Casimir. So, basically, Casimir is a Web3 framework that allows you to combine various Web3 primitives and compose Web3 applications that in terms of Casimir we call portals. At the moment, Casimir is integrated with DEIP network, but we also plan to scale it for other layer 1 as well. And now I would like you to show you a quick demo where we will spin up a portal and you will see how this process looks like. In this demo, I will demonstrate you a basic NFT marketplace that is built on top of Casimir framework. To simplify the setup of Web3 application, Casimir provides several pre-configured templates that you can customize in no-code mode after deployment. Also, you can create your own template using low-code mode, where you can combine and bootstrap specific modules in a way that works for your application. For this demo, I will use a basic pre-configured NFT marketplace template from Docker image. So, let's start it and see it in action. It's up and running. Now, let's sign in to the marketplace using an external wallet. In this demo, we will use the DEIP wallet, but as I said previously, Casimir is layer 1 agnostic framework, so depending on what layer 1 a portal application is running on, you will have different authentication methods, is it Near wallet, MetaMask, etc. For now, let's proceed with the step with the DEIP wallet and sign in to the marketplace as an administrator. In the list, as an administrator, I can see admin panel option. Let's see how it looks like. So here I have members section, where I can see a list of all registered members in our marketplace. Here I have attributes section. Attributes in terms of Casimir are actually elements that we can use to decorate entities and Web3 primitives. In addition to the default set of attributes, we can also create a custom attribute for specific purposes. Let's create a custom attribute for NFT item primitive, which is basically NFT metadata. Name it like issuance number, select its type, let it be number, mark it as required, and create. Finally, we have layout section. In layout section, we can define visual grid for our application and a set of attributes attached to each entity or Web3 primitive in our application. Let's take a look how NFT metadata primitive and its form look like. We see name input, description text area, image file input, and price input. In the left sidebar, you can see a number of elements that you can use to decorate your entities and forms in the application. This no-code constructor provides us with high flexibility and helps to build a marketplace specifically for your needs. For example, you could replace this image file input with an audio record and build a marketplace for music beats. For now, let's proceed with default marketplace for digital art, but in addition to the default set of attributes, attach custom attribute that we just created in the previous step. Make it like this. Click Save. Now let's switch our role to NFT creator. Let's sign in as NFT creator using different credentials. Okay, we're in. Let's create NFT collection. Name it as Cats Are Never Enough. Create it. Confirm the transaction. Now let's add a new NFT item to our collection. Let's select an appropriate piece of digital art. Put issuance number to 1. Name it as for example, Cats Juniors. Just a new space cat. Set the price of this NFT item to 10 DEIP tokens. Agree to NFT marketplace terms. Press submit. Once again, confirm the transaction. Success. We've submitted the asset successfully, but it's not appeared in the marketplace listing. This is because our default marketplace template is pre-configured with additional moderation step that must be performed by marketplace administrator or moderator. This is needed to prevent uploading of low-value assets or spam to the marketplace. So for now, let's quickly switch back to the administrator and confirm the uploaded asset. We click approve, confirm, okay, and now we can see the uploaded NFT in the listing. Finally, let's sign in as a buyer and purchase the uploaded asset. Importing a new account with new credits. We are in. Let's click on the NFT item. Click Buy button. Proceed with checkout. Confirm the transaction. All good. After purchasing, we can see the item in our profile. It's worth mentioning that on each purchasing or selling of NFT asset, there is a fee charged by the NFT marketplace that generates profits for his owner, and also royalties that go directly to the NFT creator to support value creation. NFT marketplace portal is not the only thing that you can build with Casimir. By combining various Casimir modules, you can build, for example, a Web3 application for governance over some assets via DAO, or crowdfunding platform that will work with cryptocurrencies. You can investigate Casimir modules in this repo. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for joining our event. I hope you enjoyed demonstration of Casimir. For the last 7 months, we have received a lot of requests, dozens of requests from general public, NFT creators, general creators to use Casimir. So now you have everything necessary to do it. Even more, we created a template which makes things much easier. I want you to try it. I want you to bring other people to the DEIP network, your friends, creators from Web3 or not from Web3, to try Casimir and deploy their own NFT marketplaces. This might be the entrance point for them into Web3 industry. Stay tuned, it's just the beginning, and we will share more updates about both Casimir and DEIP network.
So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the Casimir and our speakers. So a very warm welcome to every one of you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just to send hi to anyone, of our speakers, you can write anything in the comment section and we will answer the questions. So we are going to Q&A session. Just a minute. Yes, there would be a Q&A session with Alex Skor and Yehor Tsarik, who will answer all the questions that you have. While we are waiting for Alex Skor and Yehor Tsarik, I just want to tell you that we have created a forum. It takes like 3 minutes where you can leave your contacts and how you can make your significant input to boost Kazimir. For example, you have strong contacts with NFT creators, artists, organizers of virtual exhibitions or galleries, and you know someone who has offline gallery owner, and just you have a contacts that who are interested in the digital art. So I will share with you the form below, and I want to invite Alex Skor and Yahor Tsarik also.
Hey, hi Dana, good to see you.
Yeah, me too. So Yehor, hi, and Alex, hi. When we have a few questions for now, I will read them, and you can answer them if you want.
Yeah.
So the first question is: can we change the design of the marketplace built on Casimir, and how hard is to change the design? I think he means that he want to rebrand it. Who can answer?
Yeah, actually, Casimir is built with the help of UTF-5 framework, where you can customize basic colors, basic themes, and so on. And also you can attach your personal logo to the marketplace. Yes, it's customizable. Yes, you can customize some forms, you can customize some pages. Not everything at the moment you can customize between. I mean that not all routes are customizable at the moment, but regarding the design, regarding the appearance, yes, it's customizable. You can you just need to provide your CSS, your theme to the basic Beautify frame. Yeah.
Thank you very much. And the second question is: does it mean that DEIP wallet is live as well as Casimir? Because we have seen that on demonstration, you present the DEIP wallet also.
Yes, because the DAP wallet for the mainnet is not in live yet, because for this demo I prepared like a separate environment just to make it just to know overhead it with another assets from the network, and in this environment I use like an out-of-box wallet that was connected to isolated environment, but we are going to release the DAP wallet soon as well. This is the wallet that you see will be available for testnet and mainnet.
Yeah, thank you. That was awesome. And the next question is: where can we use Casimir, and when will it be live? Alex Skor, maybe you can answer this question.
I think this also goes to Yegor. But I will answer another one. I see why did we choose Near over blockchains, other blockchains? So we have multi-chain strategy for everything we build. But Near has some advantages over others, and we did have good personal connections with people there. So that's why we did choose it. But we do believe that future is multi-chain for sure.
Thank you.
And regarding when, I think it's what was the last question? I think Igor is better to answer it.
Yes, when we can use Casimir, and when it will be in live.
So for the actually for the DIP, Alex.
Yeah, go for it. Like for the DEIP release, yeah.
As for the release for the DEIP network, it's already done. So you can just go to the repo and download the basic repository for NFT marketplace template. So you can consider it as a leaf already. We just need to find someone who wants to build a marketplace, an NFT marketplace on the DEIP network. As for other layer ones integration, it depends on. Probably it depends on our sales development. Alex, can you join and help this? Because currently Casimir works with DEIP network, but potentially it works with any
Yeah.
Casimir one. We just need to provide an additional layer that connects the off-chain and on-chain for Casimir structure. And so I think the next step will be told by Alex.
Yeah, so thank you, Igor. That's right. So we already have integration for DIP network. It's basically like competitive advantage of DIP being like close to Casimir, that we already have integration. And we have the first integration, and we have a launch of Casimir in DIP. But Casimir itself will be launched later. Casimir also have its own strategy on multi-chain, and we will share with you all the announcement about the launch of Casimir itself when it's ready as a separate product to start using and building portals. But for the IP network, you already will have such an opportunity. And I think like we after the call will share some more details where you can download template and the instructions how you can launch your own NFT marketplace in the IP network.
Sounds very cool. The next question is from Kemo. Are portals creators required to lock DIP when creating a portal?
Yeah, so for now there is no requirement. We just charge commission fees for every financial operation on the NFT portal. So that's why this is how we create value for the network. But there will be also a requirement to lock DIP in order to get free transactions for your portal, or in order to get IP asset binding to NFT. But this feature is basically more on the IP side. The IP now focuses, as I said, like in the intro video, on binding NFTs to IP assets, binding IP assets to NFTs. And in order to do so on a portal, in order to register this asset, you will have to lock your DIP tokens. But in order to create a portal, you do not need DIP tokens, but we might consider integrating some mechanics in the future, and we will see also what are requests from the community, from people who are building with Casimir, what they want, what the business model is most appropriate also for end customer.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much, Kemo. We hope that we answered to your question. And the next question is from Jermol. Is the IP primarily for developers?
No, the IP. So if we're talking about Casimir, so Casimir is for both developers and non-developers, and we target also no-code and low-code. So no-code is obviously more targeted for non-developers, but I know that developers use it as well. So, developers who are smart and want to build things fast, they sometimes start with no-code features and no-code tools, and they adjust it, they create their own modules. And this is also the future for Casimir, when people will start building modules for Casimir as third parties. For DIP actually as well, DIP as a technology to bind IP assets to NFTs is also more for businesses, for creators, individuals, but also for developers who want to integrate such a feature into their application, into their decentralized application.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. And the question is from Nadir Bek. Are you going to launch your own NFT marketplace on Casimir?
I don't think so. We will be providing tools. We might launch something for demonstration purposes, but we definitely will not be running the business of NFT marketplace, because like our business is to provide tools to launch such things, not to launch it ourselves. But as I said, there definitely will be some demonstration instances, some instances where we will test new features, upcoming features, some experimental features. So yeah, feel free to try it and give us a feedback, so we'll know better what do we need.
Mhm. Also, we have a question about the DEIP price. Could you please comment it, and what's our plan to recover a price in future?
Yeah, so our plan will be very straightforward. So now we focus on delivering real value to end customer, real business value, and working on delivering products and features. And this itself will solve this problem and also will create a value for token and for the whole ecosystem. But as I said already, the IP focuses on delivering value in attaching IP assets to NFT, and Casimir is focusing on delivering value on providing tools to build NFT marketplace and bring new people to the industry.
Yeah, thank you. And do you have competitors on Near? I think he means Casimir. Do we have competitors on Casimir?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I've never seen.
Igor?
I didn't see. I didn't see a tool that is somehow similar to Casimir in Near, so I don't think we have competitors in the Near ecosystem at the moment.
Yeah, there are a number of competitors to Casimir in general, but I don't think there are any in Near ecosystem yet. But there, like the idea of building a tool, a constructor to build an NFT marketplace and decentralized application is very clear. It's obvious thing to do in order to accelerate usage and adoption of Web3 industry in general, and your specific layer one in specific. So that's why there definitely will be a competition. We will be focusing on our core. We will be making sure that this is that Casimir also like takes a significant role in no code, low code tools in Web3 industry, and make the future when Web3 adoption actually comes, real adoption, closer.
Here's a question from Anwar Ali. Do you have a marketing plan to attract creators to use Casimir?
Yes, we do. For this, the best person to answer this question, of course, Alexei. Igor, do you want to answer this, or better me?
I think it's better will be you. You'll better answer this question.
Okay, so basically, our plan on getting customers using Casimir will be, there will be two things what we can do. First of all, these are creators who are already in Web3 industry and who are using generalized marketplaces, but wanna build their own thing, their own NFT marketplace, and build a brand in Web3 and tokenized assets. And there are multiple industries which can already use Casimir, but what we see is that in the future the most performing industries in tokenizing assets will be music, will be art, as it already is, and obviously some video assets. So this is also like feature-wise what we develop within the Casimir. But once again, Alexei is leading Casimir, so he's the best person to answer this question.
All right. The next, also from Anwar Ali, what's the biggest milestone you have in mind for now on developing Casimir? Do we have any milestones?
Yeah, sure. I think it will be, as I said already, we're going to scale Casimir for other layer ones, but it's just the matter of the order. So I think the next, the biggest milestone will be integration of Casimir into the Nero ecosystem, for example, or maybe Aurora ecosystem. I'm not sure what layer one will be the next.
Yeah, there are maybe there are many options which can go integrations which can go first. So we target multi-chain. It can be the layer ones which Yegor mentioned. It can be other ones, and this is definitely biggest milestone for us to make a step forward to multi-chain future of Casimir.
Thank you again. And I think that would be the last question, maybe. What about DTech, Ninetales, and Vedai and other partners when they are going to live? Or are they live for now?
For the tank, it's better to address this question to Dmitry Sidorovich.
He's not here.
Yeah, so it's better to address to leaders of these. So they, we know that some of these projects are under development and will be launched once they are ready.
Oh, all right. So again, thank you very much for joining us here. There was a last question from the audience. Or we can answer the question about the staking and farming, Alex Core. And then that would be the last question.
So first of all, we want to create the business value. So there will be a base on what we can distribute yield and stake and farming rewards. And regarding stake and yield farming, we know that it's very anticipated feature, and we trying to prioritize it as well. But as I said, like the number one priority for now, right now, is to actually deliver in business value to end customer.
Thank you. Yes, that was the last question. Again, thank you very much, speakers, for joining us today. And thank you very much, all attendees who are here with us and dividing with us this Super Honor Day. So don't forget to fill the form that I have sent in the chat. Fill the form and we will contact you this upcoming week. So thank you very much again, speakers, Alex Kor and Yehor Tsarik, Alexei Kulik. So thank you very much for your attending. And Alex Kor, if you have any greetings to our audience, and we will end the stream for today.
Yeah, I want to say thank you for everyone who attended this meeting. So we really put a lot of effort to deliver this integration and launch of Casimir into the DEIP network. And it's really, it's currently tough times in the market, but we believe in the future of Web3. We believe in the future of creator economy. We continue building even within like these tough circumstances as an environment. And you can already experience soon yourself, like try yourself the result of what we've built together. So once again, thank you everyone for joining.
Yes, thank you very much. Bye to everyone. Don't forget to fill the form and we will contact you. So bye.
Cheers.